here's how you change your Payoneer account name. So log in into your account and then click on your profile in the top right corner. And then we want to go to settings. So the name change looks a little bit different here. I'm going to show you how. So settings, we want to select profile settings. And then here you can see your full name, and we can just click on edit right here in the top right corner. So as you can see right here for the name, we have an option to request a name change. So we want to click on this blue request name change button, and then it will ask you for a reason why you want to change your name. So right here we can do either legal name change if we have legally changed our name, or if we have made an error during registration. So we can select either of those. So I'm going to do error during registration, and if we click on submit, then it will take about 5 days for Payoneer support to get back to us. So they will contact you. You will get a notification right here in the top right corner whether your name change has been approved or declined, and then they will take you through the process of changing your name. But remember, it will take about 5 days. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.